Hawaii, and this is why I don't stay in the hotel with these people. They don't wake up. I was at the gym this morning, so that's why I'm up early. And then this is just an overgeneralized view of the room. Nothing much to show you guys. This is what I'm wearing today. Gucci's Shein socks. This is from a Korean vendor that Rose bought. And then a Uniqlo white top. We are in the lobby waiting for everyone to wake up. Per usual.
Homework today? At a school.
At the U, yeah.
We're always shooting darts at the U.
But then it's like this guy that's like ignore my entire family speaking because there's 25 of us. Guy born 1982 making a. Alright, we're Kona Coffee. We got recommended for our coffee snob. It's an ABC store. Did you see the video I sent you guys where it's like, no wait, there's a, like, you know the series when there's the softer version. Alright, we are at the mall. How do you want it? Here's the groom. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, hi.
You want it? 1. Here's the bride and her brother.
Alright, my turn.
Look at, this is why Miles is like this. Literally. Look at this tree in the middle of the escalator. It's so cool. I'm gonna go up here. I'm nervous. Better than I thought. Better than I expected. Alana Moana Mall, their biggest international mall. We're gonna shop. Got me a dress for tonight because I totally forgot to pack one. And then go to the beach. Then our bachelorette dinner. Tomorrow's the wedding. Yeah. I'm just kidding.
It's like so dark. I don't think so. Wait.
Yeah, it's that.
We need all the light.
We need all the light. 아, 내 video Amy 봐.
This one? Yeah, Amy. The other car is. And beautiful wedding Amy. And she almost misspelled her name.
No, not at all. It tastes like chocolate ice cream. Oh yeah.
We need to take our jacket.
Sorry, Emily, you need to take your jacket. Tomorrow will be hot and warm. Alright, you guys, it is wedding day. Here is the bride. Eating her breakfast. Everyone's getting ready first.
Most important meal of the day.
Here we go.
I feel weird without my ring. I feel so lost without it. You got Kensley right? Yes.
is on. I totally forgot to vlog that. We're at the reception.
Okay. They're so pretty.
They're so pretty.
You're a slave. Everyone put your stuff on 3.
We're in.
This is what we do here in Hawaii.
Alright, we're heading to the Dole Plantation. We're sitting here waiting for everyone to gather around. We're gonna head out. Alright, we're here at the plantation. Woohoo!
We're burning.
We are burning. We are at Marugame Udon Noodles. Haven't done it with soy sauce? No, I don't want soy sauce. Never had this before, so here we go.
Actually, this is udon yama.
I like bread udon yama.
Itadakimasu. They make all their udon.
Good morning, everyone. Today is our last day in Hawaii. Wow, we did so much stuff that it feels like we've also haven't done enough stuff, if you know what I mean. Like, there's just so much to do. Anyways, Andrew and I are heading to the Lighthouse Trail again. When I was there last time while watching, I totally forgot to vlog because it was so breathtaking. So this time we're gonna go before sunrise and watch the sunrise because that's what my nyadai recommended. We're gonna go do that right now and we're taking you along. It is my birthday. Well, I'm celebrating my birthday a day early. Tomorrow is actually my birthday, but because we're gonna fly like all freaking day, I'm not gonna vlog because again, we're just gonna be flying the whole time. So I am excited to leave, but also not excited to leave because it is a -18 at home with a bunch of snow. We made it to one of the point. That's awesome. So beautiful. Sunrise watching sunset. We're gonna do the sunset at the beach because that is one thing on my list to do. But right now we're gonna head back to the hotel. I'm gonna go to Pearl Harbor, so we'll see you there then. That's what we're doing. Andrew and Austin's in their session right now.
Are you done already?
Alright, here we are celebrating my birthday. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I did not vlog really well. I just got done getting tatted and then we're gonna head home tomorrow morning. See you guys in Minnesota.